folks, just a quickie now. I get big blocks of this polystyrene, so it's a matter of then cutting it down into usable sizes. So I do quite a bit at a time, and you put a fence up. This is called a fence for people who don't know carpentry or metalwork maybe. So you put your fence up, and then it's just a matter of pushing it through. And because I'm on such a low wattage, because nobody's this is now I believe this 8 volt. 2 seconds. Sorry about that. If I could just butt in for 2 minutes. I go live on Christmas Eve, which is Monday, which is tomorrow. We go live just in case you're sat at home alone and you'd like to come in and have a little chat to us. Feel free. And there will be a few of us. We tend to have a laugh, have a giggle, and obviously Christmas Eve, plenty of rhubarb. Rhubarb. And thanks to him, he's done a good job with the crafty bobster. That is crafty bobster over there. So yeah, great. Hope to see you 8 o'clock UK YouTube live, me and them, you as well maybe. Not you, Abdul. Yeah, Abdul. Okay, cheers. I'll get back. I'll shut the sound off so we can carry on. It don't take that long really. Oh what, yeah. And I like to say Happy Christmas to everybody. And a New Year. Happy Christmas and a New Year, and don't get too drunk. I'm a fine one to say that. And I'll see you about. This is mainly for lost foam casting. If you see my videos, you know that's what I've been doing for a while. I don't say that's what I do all the time, but I've been doing it for a while now, so it's nearly time to move on to something differento. I did want to make a steel guitar, was on the books, but stainless steel, you know, you've seen them, that's on the books. I've had quite a good year, to be honest. Thanking most of you out there. There's a few still don't like me, but you know, that's the way it goes. What I'm looking for, if anybody got one for sale, money, cash, is a transformer, like the one you had on the train track. It's a box with a little dial on it. You can up the voltages and down the voltages. That's what I'm looking for this. I'm making a new one with a swivel head and a dado for the fence to roll in. That way you can do cones and any other shapes you want. So that's on the books. Ah yes, very glad it's Christmas. He gives us 2 days off Christmas, 2 days, and he does not tell Chinese jokes. It's as quick as that, and that gives you, that gives you 6 sheets. They just go there somewhere. So, if you've got a transformer for sale, let me know, and I will buy it off you, and I will pay postage. If you see anything I make, let me know. If you want one, we can sort that out. It's like watching paint drying. As you see, I'm in clean clothes because I'm off for the Christmas. I finished. All done. I wouldn't be. If I had my choice, I'd still be there now. I'd rather be there than here. I'm cutting this in 10mm strips because that's about the size I use. I'm not, if I want to do, if and when we get into doing the swords and the stuff like that, then I'll probably upsize, but it means I have to make bigger flasks and stuff like that to take a sword, an aluminium sword. Crazy ideas. I gotta make a new crucible. I gotta make a new foundry. I gotta make new everything. And there you are. That's how long it takes. Quick chat. Simple little wire. You buy this wire from Amazon, and that's it. And then you can start doing stuff like that. This is when I've started. If I can get it without snapping it. This is when I've started. I haven't cut that out yet. I can cut that out. And I cut it out. This is a lovely power for cutting, whereas sometimes you've got to go slow, you know, but you can whip around this. So I got 2 dogs by my feet going fucking mad. You just peel it off. Let's see if I can get down past his head. You get a couple of speed wobbles, of course. You can go back and come straight back in, but nobody's ever going to notice a speed wobble. Some people want to know, and some people don't give a damn, but the thing is, it's quite delicate stuff when you got the hands of a gorilla, you know what I mean? So we got that far, which I'm happy with. So that's going to go on there like that, and cast it. The thing is, you cannot stop. If you stop, it causes a big hole in the back, a meltdown. So there that is. There that is. There that is. Get this stuff called PVA glue, and dosh it on. Dosh it on there, you know what I mean? Like there's nothing wrong. So you're going to stick that onto there, wherever you damn right, giving you enough room for the casting. Press down. The soldier at the cross. I don't know, because that's all I wanted to say, that's all I wanted to do. There is a giveaway due, so you'll have to
hang on to your seats.
Click the button so you do not miss the video telling you how to enter the giveaway. Yes. That's for 15,000. 15,000. Yeah, 15,000. Long road. Long road. And I felt every bump. Thanking you. And I'll see you on the next video.